Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we will see how we can fix error could not load file or assembly System.Security.Permissions. So this error you might face while using the PayPal integration, and if you are using .NET Core then you may face this error in the latest versions of .NET Core. So guys, this error basically you can solve by adding one package. So what you have to do is you have to go to the uh, nugget packages, and then you have to go and find newtonsoft.json. So the first package you see here, so this is, you have to click and install. You can install the latest version for this, and actually this is required when you use this PayPal integration in the .NET Core. So this is a required uh, library. Okay, so once this is installed, now you have to run the application again, and this time you should not face any error while creating the payment on PayPal. So we will just see that. So this is actually PayPal integration in .NET Core 8.0. So if you need this code part, then we will also provide you a link to the article for this. So this is the button we have for paying the transaction. Now we click on pay now, and now it will go to the code payment with PayPal, and then it will redirect to the PayPal screen. So earlier guys, you might face that error before reaching this screen. So because it is reaching now, so you can make sure that the error is resolved now, so you can proceed with the payment after this. So we will add the details, and then we will continue as guest. And it will get back with the payer ID, and it will execute the transaction here. And now it is going on the payment success. Okay, so guys, PayPal integration has worked this way, so you can fix the error using the steps in the video. So you just have to install the newtonsoft.json package, and then it will work for you. If you face any kind of issue, then you can comment on the video or let us know. So thank you guys.